Okay, so in this video I will be demonstrating how to purl, and I have already knitted up this in the garter stitch, and I have a video on that tells you how to cast on and then knit in the garter stitch. And then what we're going to do in this video is purl. So I will show you now. If you wanted to make a stockinette stitch pattern, then you would, since I have knitted on this other side, on this back side here, I am going to come around this way and purl. So this is how you do it. Always make sure that your yarn, your working yarn, is up over the like this, is over instead of under your needle. Okay, and yarn size and needle size, just to show you, this doesn't matter. It matters if you're making a pattern, but not just for doing this, to show you. Okay, so then we just take it and we go up and around and over, and we pull it through and off, and that's your first purl stitch. We do it again. Okay. So you want to go here, but your yarn has to be on this side. You don't want it on the other side, like to knit, because that would be this way. But we're going this way, and see, it's not going to work. So now we just go like this. Put it on the front side. Okay, and then we just go around the needle, and you pull your needle down, out, and then you move the stitch off the end, in, around, down, off. Okay, around, down, and off. And these bigger needles with this smaller yarn, you can actually see, because it's a bit looser, how I'm doing this. Okay, now I am an English knitter, and this is how I do it. It's just a slow demonstration of how to purl. Okay. And then we'll have to knit the other side, and that would be the stockinette stitch. But today we're just showing how to purl. And like I said, this is, I tighten that by going to the opposite side then, because when I turn it around I'll just be knitting anyways. Okay, so here's the purl stitch with the bumps in the back. All of the bumps are in the back. And the other side, this is knitting. So all of the V's are in the front. All of the bumps are in the back. Okay, so that's how to purl. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below, and I will try to answer them the best that I can. And happy knitting!